Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, August the 29th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one I will do is a 2 stars, because this one, if I choose between this one and that one, this one has 27 printed digits, should be a 1 star. This one, the 3 stars, has 29 printed digits, so 2 more digits. So I don't think it's actually a 3 stars puzzle. So let me start with the 2 stars puzzle. And this one will be number 7004. 7004. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've told you this one has 27 printed digits, should be a 1 star. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8, well. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. And now. How about the number? Let me see which number can I pick. We have a 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. 9. Huh? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9, okay. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about? I'm thinking. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3, yes. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 there, okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in the same box. So 3 and 7 goes in those two boxes as pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. Alright. 3, 3, okay. Need a 4, 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in the third column, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Yeah, also 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. 7 and a 5. All right. Then 6, 6. Need a 6 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 5. We have a 6 and a 5 in this row, so no 6 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 6 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Alright. Need a 4 here, okay. Here I need, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 in the last row should be there. 1 and a 7, that means 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe the 2, yeah, 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 9, 7, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Alright. 5, 5. Okay, one number left in the middle column for number one. The 2 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Need a 4 here. 9, 8. We have an for the 9s. No. Okay. Let me think. 2. We have a pair. 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 9 in the first column, so no 2 and a 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 and 9, the only 2 places left for 2 and 9 should be in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Alright. Then we need a 5 here. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. Alright, 8. 1, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 here in the third column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 7. 7 and 9, we have a 7 now in this column, third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 7 now in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, no need 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. We solve it again, 2 stars, no. 1 star. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.